Yeah.
Did you just cut my thread? Amelia's on a FaceTime call with Evie. Hi. Hello. Hannah's at work.
Hi, welcome back to our channel.
Hi.
So today we're going to be going to Bunnings and we're going to get this really cool basket weave floor mat.
And we're going to make some home decor out of the mat, which is, how much is it?
I think it's like under $2 or $2 something.
Yeah, which is super cheap.
So cheap.
So we're gonna see if we can make a few DIYs. We have some ideas that we're going through.
Like a basket, make a basket out of it, or a pot plant holder or something. We're gonna figure that out.
All right, well, we're off to Bunnings. We're actually in the car park right now. We'll take you along, get some supplies, and go make our baskets. Yay! All right.
There's only one.
Only one man.
That sucks.
Another Bunnings.
Why don't we just ask for having it in stock?
Oh, yeah.
So, that one only had one mat
Yeah.
in the whole store. So we're going to another store and hopefully they will have more.
The guy said the other store has 75, so we picked the wrong store.
Exactly.
They have them
Thank
There.
goodness.
all here. Not 75 of them, obviously not on the shelf.
But we're just working out what one to get because some of them are like different shades. She's very picky with her colours.
Which is good. It's a good thing because some of the basket weaves are like a more greeny, grassy colour and we want them all browner.
Ever meet.
She really is.
And I'm indecisive too, so.
Good combination.
Oh yeah.
That's good. That's a good one. Oh, this is not good. This is not good. You go through the whole lot.
Okay, let's see which one's green.
We don't want green.
Boxes, not boxes, the baskets. And
You
I
went
took them back because they were too green.
at IKEA.
Yeah.
Oh my
My friend
god.
there and I was like, we're taking these back, they're too green.
Wow. Well, she's happy.
Got 6 of them. Alright.
Such a perfectionist. My gosh. We're excited. Oh my gosh.
These are nice.
Wow, I'm impressed, Bunnings.
Uh-huh. And these?
Yeah, I love them. And look at the stools. Oh, look at the stools. They're
so
nice too.
They're massive though.
They are massive.
Oh, and small ones.
These cute little tables and chairs. That would be so nice when we get our new house, Friday. When we get our new house.
Hey, what? So Millie is coming up with a different idea to do these basket mats. Doesn't she look so cute with her overalls? Very working DIY.
They're officially my DIY overalls.
So she's trying to actually make a rectangle shaped basket, which I think is really cool. And if it works, it'd be amazing because like those type of baskets are like so big and expensive.
Yeah. I just hope it's not going to be flimsy like you said.
Yeah, hopefully not.
We'll see. So I'm just like using safety pins just to kind of pin it together to see if it'll actually work.
Yeah,
Probably would work better obviously once we've sewn it.
yeah.
Putting handles on it.
Yeah, handles would look super cool.
Could be like storage basket or even
Yeah, well, I actually need 2 of these up on top of my cupboard because you can see those 2 little dingy baskets there.
that'd be perfect.
That would look so good.
Oh, there's another pin.
Oh,
Another one. They're everywhere.
oh yes. We're trying to gather these. What we've done is we've tied it up and they're like a little bit like not attached together yet because we have to sew the mats together to make 2 of them together. But we've tied it up with string and it looks like pretty good. And this wouldn't even cost that much because they're only $2.50 each.
So it'd be like 5, 10,
15, 16, 17, 17.50.
yeah, something like pretty good.
Mm.
And that would be normally like $50 at the shops if you like, buy
$50 is probably cheap.
Probably, yeah, probably like 100 or 80 or something.
80, I'd say, for a big one like that.
So if we like braided or twisted a piece of rope or yarn together or something and made like a cute handle, probably thicker than that maybe.
Yeah, definitely thicker.
And then
Or
that
you could,
way-
if you wanted to, you could try using the braiding from this, but we didn't buy enough mats.
Let's do it. I'm excited. Great.
I think it'll work.
So we went to Bunnings and we got a few of these grass mats because we're going to be making a very large rectangle basket. We obviously like tried to play with the idea of doing a big basket. We think it's going to work. We didn't plan on doing this today, so
No, we didn't.
we're going to do something completely different, but we might do that on another video.
Another channel.
First step we've worked out, we actually want to make 2 layers. So if we make 2 layers, it's gonna be not as see-through, it's gonna be more sturdy, and it probably will look better. This is like one side of the rectangle. We have to attach them together so they don't separate. So we're going to attach it with some thread.
It's more like
And-
string, not thread.
Yeah, it's like
You could use
a yarn. It's more
like a yarn or just a very thick, strong. I wouldn't use like cotton from a sewing machine or
Yeah,
anything.
no.
Something stronger.
That will fall apart.
Something neutral.
Okay, so we've got some yarn with a big needle so we can get through the basket. That's basically all you need unless you're wanting to make some handles as well. We're going to use this thicker yarn and we're going to braid it, which we'll show you soon. First of all, Amelia and I are going to each sew a side together and we'll show you how to do that.
Yeah. So we did the sides of the basket and we've sewn both of them together so it's like double thickness and it was pretty easy.
Yeah, we also tacked the middle just so it doesn't come apart and gape. So it's a pretty solid basket wall.
Yeah. So now what we're going to do is fold a mat in half and sew down the side and sew down this side and on each angle and also a little bit in the middle so it's all together and very thick and sturdy and this will be the 2 ends of the basket. Cool. So we've done the long sides, we've sewn them together and the front panels. And now we've got to actually join them together and put the bottom on. So that's the next project. Cool. Oh, it's gonna look so good. I'm so excited.
it looks really good. I tried to make a handle. I mean, if you cover up that, it looks pretty good, but I'll start again.
Like how stinking good is this?
It's so good.
Like, oh my
Turn
gosh.
around.
We still have to like join the sides.
Yeah, but we've joined this side and that side, and then we've got the base, and then
the base is just a single layer. You could
Yeah.
do double if you wanted to, but we just had one.
yeah.
So make sure that when you're sewing the sides that the edging of this mat is in front. So this part is a little bit behind. It just makes it look more neater. And let's stitch those sides together. And then we can do the bottom. Then put the handles on, which Bridie has lovely made. Does that even make sense? That doesn't.
Lovely made.
Lovely made. That Bridie has previously made.
There's 3 strands of yarn in this braid, and I've just braided them together, but I've done just a different type of braid, that's why I haven't tied it up. But I'll link the tutorial down below.
You could also do rope, or you could do leather straps, or whatever you want really, just to make it look funky and practical.
What have we done? We've made the best, cheapest basket you have ever seen in your life.
Literally, it's so good. Look at it.
Look.
Who made that? Out of mat. Like, look how decently sized this is.
It's sturdy, it's thick. You can fit so much in there. It would be great for toys, for babies or toddlers or whatever. You could put blankets in there as like a blanket container basket for your living room. You could put extra pillows or cushions in there, like anything. So sturdy.
Pick it up so we can see how sturdy it is.
Like, look at how beautiful handles. Sturdy as ever.
Quite
it's just
thick.
so good.
So we did the double.
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm just so impressed.
I'm impressed too.
Like, blown away. I want to make more.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe like make round ones or square ones. Or
Yeah.
You could just make so many. And how much was this total, Bridie? $17.50, wasn't it?
Yeah. $17.50 to make this.
Plus the string, which we already had, but you
Yeah.
could buy that. It would be like $1. Wow.
Good
Impressive.
job.
Well, thank you for watching us do our little DIY. We really love it. And we're gonna make 2 more. One for Amelia and an extra one for me. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Pretty sturdy. I know, it's so sturdy.
There's all my Bunnings gift cards. Okay, let me get this straight. What? You have all these Bunnings gift cards and we didn't use them.
I know. It's like $100, $10.
What?
I feel like, you know what I feel like?
TV presenter?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I'm on the news. Dun, 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 dun. Welcome back to Channel 7 News with Bridie and Amelia. Yeah, true. Okay. Okay.